Inhlangano emela abantu abangasebenzi kuleli Unemployed People of South Africa ibambe umbhikisho nokuthula ngaphandle kwenkampani iDarsot Industries e-Eikenhof namuhla ngethuba zasekuseni lapho bebesola khona le nkampani ngokuqasha abantu bokufika kuleli abangenazi imfanelo zokuba seNingizimu Afrika. Le nhlangano ithi ke lokhu kuyingxenye yemizamo yayo yokuthi abantu baseNingizimu Afrika bebekwe eqhulwini uma kukhona amathuba omsebenzi avelayo. Ibeke seyixwayisa ngokuthi ukwehluleka ukuphendula izimfuno zayo kungaholela ekutheni ke kuthathwe inyathelo eziyaphambili okubala kuzo ke ukuvala thaqa le nkampani.
Umbutho i-Unemployed People of South Africa uqhubeka nentshukumo yawo engokubeka phambili abemi boMzantsi Afrika kumathuba engqesho. Ngentseni yanamhlanje utshile ngaphandle kwenkampani iDarsot Industries e-Eikenhof. Njengoko usithi le nkampani iqeshe abantu bamazwe angaphandle abangenampepha endaweni yabemi beli.
Into esilethe la ukuthi baqasha only abantu bangaphandle aba-undocumented. So sizile last week la sizomserva nge-notice of gathering kuzabe sela. So this guy was very rude to us. He even promised us that he will do anything. He can even die for undocumented people in his company. So sizela ukuzomprovela ukuthi this is not a banana country. This is a country with laws. Our laws must be respected. We've got our intelligence, we've got our people on the ground. Siyazi ukuthi already sekathe kubantu bakhe laba abangaphandle bangeze emsebenzini namhlanje baze kusasa. Sifuna ukumazisa futhi ukuthi nakusasa zabe sela. We're going to mobilize, and this time around if akazosimamela namhlanje akuna truck ezongena, akuna truck ezaphuma because uyadelela.
Embindini wokulwela ukuba kukhokheliswe abemi beli lo mbutho uthi ubuqhophololo kumanye wamagosa omthetho ngumqobo endleleni yempumelelo kweli.
Akunaphoyisa esilithembayo. I mean, it has been proven kuMadlanga Commission ukuthi police are not for South Africans. Bagcwalisa izisu sabo nama-families wabo and they are here to take money from undocumented people. Last time besise lens kwenye company ngeke ngibize ngegama la because the guy responded positively to us. So ngingammoshi. So masifika khona ekseni sikhuluma nabo bathi police were here and then bathathe imali for protection. So amaphoyisa wethu are not for South Africans. I mean every day mawungena kwi-TV, mawungena kwi-radio yileyo ndaba kuphela amaphoyisa lenze lokho, iphoyisa lenze lokho, lenzeni. So even here the way this boy uDarsot bekakhuluma ngakhona, you could see that he's protected, man, like he's uyazifeel ukuthi he's protected.
Lo mbutho ufunga kwelokuba uza kuthi qolo utyelela la nkampani ide ibe yenza ngokusemdleni wabemi beli. Kwindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka e-Eikenhof.